Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
The carafe of the Coffee Gator kit is constructed of rugged borosilicate glass, which stands up to temperature changes with ease. It comes with a handy measuring scoop, as well as a funnel which helps you to add your grounds without making a mess. Components are easy to clean. A budget-friendly choice. Money-back satisfaction guarantee. The tried and true toddy system can be counted on to produce a low-acid cup that's smooth and full of flavor, and which tastes just as good when heated, for those who prefer it that way. Or you can add your favorite loose leaves to prepare some delicious tea. Drips directly into decanter. Rubber stopper ensures freshness. Comes with a handy recipe guide. County Line Kitchen Mason Jar. The 2-quart County Line Kitchen Mason jar is crafted from thick, dishwasher-safe soda lime glass, and it's a cinch to pour from, thanks to the handy flip cap lid. Its mesh filter is made with safety in mind, with rolled seams and a smooth surface. Sturdy silicone seal. Components are BPA-free. Replacement parts readily available. KitchenAid 28 ounce. The small footprint of the KitchenAid 28 ounce makes it a nice fit for almost any refrigerator or counter, and its stainless steel tap allows you to dispense your beverage with ease. Its steeper is conveniently labeled with fill level indicators. Comfortable carrying handle. Illustrated instructions. Backed by a 1-year warranty. OXO Good Grips 32 ounce. With its built-in Rainmaker filter, the OXO Good Grips 32 ounce spreads water evenly over your grounds for consistent results every time. Its carafe features helpful measurement markings, so you always know how much concentrate you've got on hand. Easy access brew release switch, generous capacity of 32 ounces, components nest for compact storage.